Hi guys, my name's Sean Gillis with Remax Grand Prairie and representative for Dirham Homes. We're up in our new upscale neighborhood of Arbor Hills, checking out this new Bellevue home. Let's go on inside. Taking you into this open great room space, this beautiful fireplace feature is nice and clean, built-in shelving and shiplap creates a nice finish to the home. And as we get into the kitchen, you can see these beautiful Craftsman cabinets, two-tone waterfall edge on the quartz countertops with an eat-up bar for all your guests and entertaining needs. Where I'm standing right now will create a beautiful dining space that'll house almost any table and a beautiful view off the back. These homes back onto what is a reserve area and will create a walking trail and feature where you'll have no development ever behind you. If you're looking for that little bit of extra space, the bonus room flex area creates that space, a warm environment for you to enjoy those movies. Moving on up to the upper level, we house 2 large bedrooms, a full bathroom. Looking for luxury, you'll find it here in the primary bedroom with vaulted ceiling, again a view off the reserve area out the back, and a his and hers closet or hers and hers. Moving into the ensuite, we have a full glass shower, a beautiful soaker tub, and double sinks. Never fight over that toothbrush again. Featuring quartz countertops, which is consistent throughout the home. So if you're looking for a home in an upscale neighborhood, Arbor Hills is the neighborhood for you. Close to amenities, close to the new hospital, 4 schools, walking trails, parks, and more. Check this home out and more at our website, durhamhomes.com.